Fire in the hole.
Yeah! Returning truck park cores for credit can be a hassle.
So Horton has simplified the process for fan clutches.
That's right, we'll take about any clutch back as long as it's in off-truck condition. We'll accept it as long as, well, maybe we should just show you.
That's right. And don't be trying any of this yourself. One, because we won't accept your core, and two, because some of it is downright dangerous. All right, we're here on the roof at Horton to show you something you definitely shouldn't do. Throw the clutch off of a roof. Woo! All right, so the bottom line is Horton will take just about any core.
As long as you don't do what we just did.